Hello, hi for everyone. Welcome to my channel Universal Maths. Today I'm gonna show next 10 problems that are located in the Turkish handbook by Demir. So let's get started, and now I will show the easiest way to solve some problems. In order to solve that kind of problems, I will just show the one term. So before watching this video, do not forget to subscribe and like my video. Okay, if this angle will be alpha, this angle will be x, and this angle is y, alpha will equal to x plus y. This term we will use in the next problems. But why is it so? We know that interior angles of this triangle is 180 degrees, and we know that this angle will be pi minus alpha, and from here we know that pi minus alpha plus x plus y will equal to pi. Pi and pi will equal, or we can add up to the both sides minus pi, will get minus alpha plus x plus y will be equal to 0. And from here, we can add up alpha to the both sides, and we'll get alpha equal to x plus y. This is the final, you can say, formula. In this term, we'll use in the next problems, and we'll just simply solve the tricky problems. So the first one, the ninth, it is, we'll just write here this angle as alpha, this angle as alpha, and this angle as beta, and this angle also as beta. And we know that we don't need to write this beta. So first of all, from the triangle EDF, we'll just write that alpha plus beta will equal to 50 degrees. This is obvious. And we know that, as I mentioned before, from this term or formula, we can say this angle will be 2 alpha, the sum of two angles. And this angle will be also 2 beta, because this angle is also beta. So from the triangle BAC, we'll just write the next equation. It will be x plus 2 beta plus 2 alpha equal to 180 degrees. We know this is 100 degrees because alpha plus beta is 50 degrees. We'll just multiply it by 2, and it will equal to, x will equal to 80 degrees if this is 100 degrees. Here, and we found the x. The next problem. This problem is much similar, almost similar, but the degrees are changed. So you can solve it by yourself, and if you will have some problems, you can just comment here. So 11th problem. Here we can put here alpha, some beta. Here will be also beta, because these sides are equal, the angles will be also equal, and this is alpha. And from the triangle ABC, we'll just write alpha plus beta, the B angle and C angle, and the sum will give us 80 degrees. And from the adjacent angles, alpha plus x plus beta will equal to 180 degrees. Alpha plus beta plus x will equal 180 degrees. So we can plug this 80 here, and we'll get that x will equal to 100 degrees. So let's move on. The next question is the similar one. Almost the similar. Okay, let's try it. This angle will be alpha. This angle will be also alpha. Do not mess up that this angle will not be alpha. So that this side and this side is equal. So the angles that are located here in that side will be alpha and alpha. Will be equal. So this one will be better. This one also be better. So the next step is to know that this will be pi minus 2 beta. This will also be pi minus 2 alpha. And from the triangle ABC, we know that pi minus 2 alpha plus pi minus 2 beta plus x will be equal to pi. And 1 pi will be cancelled, and we'll get just 2 alpha plus 2 beta will equal to pi plus x. Here we know that the adjacent angles are equal. The sum of adjacent angles are 180 degrees. So alpha plus beta will equal to 110 degrees. This we can plug into this equation, and we'll get 220 equal to 180 plus x. We can add up to the both sides minus 180, and we'll get 40 degrees will equal to x. This will cancel. So x is equal to 40 degrees. So the next question here. The problems are getting harder and harder, so do not mess up. Watch till the end. So this will be alpha, this will be also alpha, this will be beta, this will be also beta. So you see these two sides, if they are equal, the angles will be equal. So these angles, do not mess up. So from here we know we know the angle ADE. ADE will be equal to 2 alpha, because we said that in the first step the term these angles will be equal to the exterior angle that is located in the other side. So this will be also 2 beta. We know from the triangle ADE, you know that 40 degrees plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta will equal to 180. So 2 alpha plus 2 beta will equal to 140 degrees. This is the next equation, and from here we can find out alpha plus beta. This will be equal to 70. You can divide it by 2. And the next equation that we have to find out is we have to find out in BAC. Where is it? BAC. This angle. So we have to find out alpha plus 40 plus beta. This is not so hard because we found alpha plus beta. So this is 70 degrees, and it will be 40 plus 70, and it will equal to 110 degrees. This is our final answer. So the next question is a little bit similar. This will be alpha again, alpha, and this angle will be, as you can see, the angle ADC is 90 degrees, and the angle ADE will be 90 minus 20, because EDC is 20 degrees, so it will be 70 degrees. And as these angles are equal, we can write down it as beta and beta. From here we can find out beta. So 2 beta plus 70 degrees will equal to 180 degrees, and 2 beta will equal to, we can subtract on both sides, 70 will equal to 110, and beta will equal to 155 degrees. So we found beta, and we'll have to find out BAC. Alpha plus beta we'll have to find out. So the next one is here, that we have to know that alpha plus alpha will equal to this angle, as you can see here. So we know also that this angle is 90 degrees, and we know that alpha plus alpha will give us 90 degrees. So alpha is equal to 45 degrees, because 2 alpha will give us 90 degrees. See? Okay. Here we can find out BAC, and it's equal to 55 degrees plus 45 degrees, which will get 100 degrees. The next problem is a bit similar. So alpha here, we can put here, we know that this angle will be 70 degrees from the term that I gave the first step. So this will also be 70 degrees. And next step, we can find out alpha here. The sum of adjacent angles will be 180 degrees. So this will be 70 plus 40 is 110 degrees, and it will equal to 180 degrees. Where can we find the alpha? And it will be 70 degrees. So here x plus alpha will equal to the 110 degrees. X plus alpha is equal to 110 degrees, because in the first term, as I said, the exterior angle is 70 plus 40, so 110 degrees. Where we can put, instead of alpha, 70 degrees, x plus 70 minus 70, we can subtract 110 minus 70 degrees, which will give us x equals to 40 degrees. This is the answer. So the next problem is this one. So these AB and AC, two sides are equal, so this angle will be also x, and this angle will be also x, because these sides BD and DA are also equal. So where we can find out from the sum of the interior angles of the triangle ABC, it will equal to x plus 75, here x, B angle and C angle, and A angle will be x plus 75, which will equal to 180 degrees. So 3x will equal to 105 degrees. This 3x has to be 105 degrees in order to get a sum of two numbers, 75 degrees and 105 degrees, to give us 180 degrees, where we can find x, and it will equal to 35 degrees. I guess you understand. Okay, the next one, this as alpha, and these sides are equal so that we can write alpha, and these AB and AC sides are equal, so we can also write this angle as alpha. And we know also that this angle is 2 alpha, because you understand? Okay, so the two angles, we added up alpha, and we got 2 alpha. Here we know also that this is 90 degrees, the angle DAC, so 90 degrees plus 2 alpha plus alpha will equal to 180 degrees. So 3 alpha here will equal to 90 degrees. Alpha will equal to 30 degrees. We just write down this, and we know that also from the adjacent angles, alpha plus 90 degrees plus x will equal to 180 degrees. So here we can plug into alpha 30 degrees, and we'll get 120 degrees plus x will equal to 180 degrees. X here will be equal to 60 degrees, which is our final answer. So the last but not least is this problem. So the sides AC and AB are equal, so this angle will be x. And we know also that x plus 120 will give us the angle, here we can write down as E, the angle ADE, which is here beta, can write down 2 beta will equal to x plus 120 degrees. And this angle is, here 60 degrees. We can find out from the sum of the integral angles, x plus beta will equal to 180 degrees, 20 degrees. So we can here find out beta will equal to 120 minus x, and we can just let's subtract 2 here, both sides, and it will equal to 2 beta will equal to 240 degrees minus 2x, yeah? And here we know the first equation, and it is here 2 beta is equal to x plus 120. So we can subtract here the simultaneous equations, and it will equal to 0, and it will equal to 120, this minus this, and minus 2x minus x will give us minus 3x, which is where can we add up 3x, and we'll get here 3x is equal to 120 degrees, and x here will equal to 40 degrees. These were our tricky problems and the easiest standard solutions. Thank you for your attention. If you liked the solution and this video, do not subscribe to my channel and press the like button. See you soon.